Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Yakshi. Let's look at today's top health news. Supreme Court courts must exercise caution when ordering vacant seats at medical colleges. The Supreme Court recently stated that while courts have been power to order the medical seats be kept vacant, they should exercise caution in doing so. If provisional admission seats are not to be given casually, the said principle should also apply for directions to keep seats vacant. Only if there is a cast iron case for the petitioner and the petitioner is bound to succeed in cases where the error of the respondent authorities is so gross as to negate any other conclusion. Interim orders keeping seats vacant could be made, opined the top court bench comprising Justices B.R. Gavai and K.V. Vishwanatham. The court further observed that in rare and exceptional cases where seats are kept vacant, courts should make every effort to resolve the matter before the completion of the admission counselling. Additionally, even if the writ petition appeal succeeds but if the matter could not be disposed of before the deadline, the seat may still go vacant. It should not be forgotten that while the recurring and non-recurring expenditure of a college remains the same, a vacant seat will be deprived the college of the fees to that extent, not just for 1 year but the whole course, which could be 4, 5 or more years, the Supreme Court bench pointed out. The Supreme Court recently considered the case of 2 medical colleges ordered by the High Court to keep 1 MBBS seats vacant for the 2023-24 academic year. The colleges argued that this led to the financial losses and underutilization of resources as the vacant seat could not be filled. They sought compensatory seats for the following year while the authorities denied liability, stating that the order was court mandated. The Supreme Court criticized the High Court's interim order as cryptic and noted it lacked proper consideration of the key factors such as prima facie case and balance of convenience. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogues. Stay tuned for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon.